So Pocophone was this super hyped phone, one of a kind and all the glory winner that a piece of tech can be in 2018. But the things have changed over the past 8 months. Has the tables turned? Let's find out. So let's begin. So I bought this phone up about 3 months ago and in a fantabulous offer, obviously. So I began to test it. Let's start off by addressing the elephants in the room, the bugs and defects this phone initially came with. So, first issue that many people were skeptical about this phone because of this issue was that wide while N1 support was not there and it works like a charm. The second issue was the screen bleeding. And screen bleeding, I would say that it is still present, but it has gotten better over time. And the newer variants, the newer manufactured variants, do not have any issues of screen bleeding. The third was the flash sale. It was always out of stock, but now they have completely bought Poco phones in stock, and you can buy it anytime you want. It's always in stock, and also exchange offers are always going on. So look for a good deal and buy this phone. Fourth, the plastic body and mediocre looks were commented on, and people found that hilarious that a 20,000 phone had a plastic body. But I need to agree that it is kind of not so premium, but the Ringke Fusion X case that I have on, the bumper case, is awesome. And you can use this case, and it will feel more of a premium device than the regular plasticky build. And now let's get on to the pros. First, the processor. It's crazy fast, like really fast. Games, surfing, hell, even swiping across the home screen is incredible. The 845 in there is actual beast. And for 20,000 rupees, you can't complain. The second niche little feature, which is the face unlock, is fabulous. The face unlock is instant, accurate, and well worth the notch area it takes up. I know you would say that we don't need that area. The smaller notch looks good, but the face unlock is actually very, very, very practical. It's the second on MKBHD's blind test. It's good, and with the camera to API pre enabled, the Google camera makes the photos super close to Pixel 3. Fourth, and the biggest, is the customization present in this device. Like it's awesome how much how much you can customize this device, and the developers are super friendly to this one. And both the Xiaomi's MIUI developers and custom ROM developers have been putting all their efforts to making this phone great. So you can have a great custom ROM or you can stick with MIUI. Both are getting much better every day. And with little experience and practice, you can load up complete Pixel Experience ROM, giving exactly what the name suggests, Pixel Experience. If you wanted to figure out the whole custom ROM side, I'll link up to a Telegram group. Folks there are the best, and go there and you will come to know what you are missing on. Third part of this video was a surprise. It's competition. Competition that this device faces. Firstly, in the foreign market, like USA, they have no phone even close to the Poco. So buy it if you can. Get over there and MIUI or just flash a custom ROM and you're good to go. Second, Indian market. Here Pocophone has competition from Samsung M30, Samsung A50, hell even Redmi Note 7 Pro is giving tough competition to the Pocophone F1. So let me get things straight to establish the best bang for the buck. First, if you are a light user or a tight budget, not exceeding 15k, Buy the Redmi Note 7 Pro. You won't regret. The design on that device is just awesome. Second, if you are a moderate user and you're looking for something that can include heavy tasks and do a great job at them too. So I would say go for the A50. It's classy, it looks awesome, and overall look and feel of that device is good. Even the processor is good enough, I would say. But if you're a heavy user, if you play mobile games, which is PUBG and all that, if you are a vlogger, if you are a YouTube starter, you want a hardcore gaming device, just go for the Pocophone F1. You won't regret. And a word of advice, try buying it from the offline stores with manufacturing date of later than December 2018. Why? Because that those devices have screen bleeding and multi-touch and other problems and issues fixed. So, in all, this is an awesome phone. If you want to buy a smartphone even today in 2019 and you are a heavy user, you can go for it. It is completely bang for your buck. And this was Tarun Srivastava from Eccentric Tech signing off. See you later.